It's gonna reroute us. Yes. This week, it's gonna reroute.
What the fuck? Are we fucking going back, bro? What the fucking pussy Obama cloud? Says I put my pele morning side.
Yeah, it's that way, dude. Let's go.
Hey, these bitches are flop, eh?
Oh my man,
I bet it's not now. Now.
Yeah. Too soon. Now. Now.
This is a one way, eh?
Fuck it.
What does it
say? Fuck it one way, bro. Now. It's probably here, the market space or there, wherever, bro.
Where is it?
No, we don't see it.
Nah, it's in the studio or in Waba. Yeah. Location is Ungale.
No, 39 station, John.
Backless perverts, forget the road, bro. We found us. Now. Yeah, no.
Yo!
I'm really shit.
Dlule phambili sibheke bhaxa, dlule phambili bathi ushintshe futhi siphume la usushintshile phakala nzima.
I think so.
Change us perfect, man. Most of the talks are lost in. We're here a minute ago.
Is it? From one about name, it was a win.
Hey, so looking at the time, and I'm like, okay, you booked the studio, and if I'm late, I'm like, yeah.
Thinking we own the studio. We own the studio, baby. Don't
This is Victor, my videographer. Don't mind him. He's not here.
Oh, is he shooting? Oh my God! Hey, follow me! Is this there?
All I can do that's all I can do with this side better.
Oh, when I'm selecting the format deals, so it doesn't matter where you are.
Yeah, but you see the brand Shandis, dog, and the brand Shandis is hectic. As much as they come to you and all that stuff, it's like YouTube. It's inconsistent. If maybe you had a schedule, okay, on this 15 with this brand is gonna this brand, but you never know. They just
but come on, get your bag.
Stars in American. I'm a superstar.
It's just a game.
But yeah, Joe back, dog. Trust me. Should move for a year. Okay. You should move for it. Now I wanna live in Cape Town this year.
You can say I'm there. Is it Danny? Oh,
Yes, sir. What's hand? Hey, yo, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be safe. But yeah, more content on the way. Yeah, this is a magazine shoot. I'm gonna put the link in the description. You already know what it is.
And then do you like write your own shit better?
I do everything. I edit.
Was that a editor?
What do you mean? It was everything was on YouTube, dog. Ironically, everything on YouTube. But no one has ever edited my work. I treat my content as my baby.
I didn't let that.
Thank God I'm having too many babysitters. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Mac. What is it? What is this?
The Mac Studio.
Mac what?
The Mac.
Just the Mac. What is the magic?
No, it's
We're going to be talking about the Mac right here, and as you can see right here.
fixing.
This is just kind of the time is just annoying. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, that's nice.
Like I got 2 wheels on me, go ride me like bike. Damn, that's how she sound when I pipe. She said her man nigga don't do it right. Baby girl, can I get over me? Niggas gon' test me, it's over, I'm stabbing these eyes. Niggas can't find me like Cameron San Diego, nigga, I'm fire like Colin a bright. Yeah, no competition, these niggas lame nigga, I'm not impressed. Hey. That little boy say these song and I'm like, that's my flow over there. You stole it, bitch. Then on my songs and I tell him, boy, I put my soul over there. No cap, no kissy. Baby girl, I just pull up. I was really close to sleeping on the streets. Check my phone, all the songs by me, cause these little niggas songs made me sleep. I got the whole dang game on my feet. I'm an ending here so niggas can repeat.
Got that icy around my neck, so a nigga be bullying, you know that I'm nigga, you know that I'm drop top hot. Play with that bitch, make a hopscotch for the cock. Put a red dot on the op, use his head as a mop. Like niggas can't handle, bitch, I be lit like a bic or a candle. I see you copy my moves like a stencil. Break your ass off like the tip of a pencil. Fuck that shit, feel like a bag today or a bad little bae. I need some ass an anime. Put that pussy in daddy's face, I'm gonna make you come that away. How the fuck you want smoke with no ashtray? Like actually, you little niggas ain't half of me. Look at lately my confidence turned into cockiness. Isn't it obvious you niggas hate? You wishing you pray that I ain't got no food on my plate. That's why your bitch under my duvet. There's so many stories you never relate. Man, I be in the crate. Ain't no metro look, I be the one booming. Man, fuck what you think I say that.
I see myself creating more stories that people relate to. I see my content being commercial as a content on TV. Because let's be honest, people right now are on the internet, on Netflix. Not everyone, but people no longer have those huge ass decoders. Everything's just online now. Yes, TV now, Netflix. So I see my content as commercial, as the content on TV.
Nice.
Yeah.
And then who's the most famous person you've ever worked with?
Most famous person I've worked with. That's a hard one because you may never know if so and so is famous or not.
Top of your head.
DJ Data.
Oh my lord.
Babes. Danger. SK is my favorite.
Oh, SK Gaza. Okay. Alright. Did you ever think that doing content in vernac would be successful? Or were you hesitant? Or did you know right away that
What we did, me and the guys that we started with, was that we just want to keep creating content. Someone is watching. That's what we told ourselves before the monetization of YouTube, because that's still something new. Hey guys, thank you for watching the vlog. It was a good one. Listen, if you want the article, link is in the description. Check it out. Shout out to YOUFF Magazine. Shout out to Hope. Shout out to Monarch Detailer for styling the boy.
Yes, I said that's mascara.
Shout out to Bro, aka Slick. You already know what it is. Shout out to Hot Black. Shout out to the nigga that cut my hair. Shout out to Victor behind the camera. Click, subscribe, like, share, tell your friends. More content on the way.
Skits, got to skits. G.O.D. the only thing keeping me alive. If I O.D. it is okay, it's been hell of a lie. G.O.D.